Right, I'm chiseling this side out. I'm going to chisel up to the air vents, because that's where the scaffolding will go. So this bit here, got sheets on the floor to catch all this rubble, because there is quite a bit that's going to come out. Horrible strap pointing. Don't know why people do it. It just doesn't even look nice. So this is a bit of strap pointing I just wanted to show you. When you take it out, you end up with this. So you still have to rake that out as well. But with this strap pointing, if you get the end of your pick, just a flat end, and just tap it, half the time it loosens it and you can just rake it out. But that's not always the case. Sometimes it's really hard work to get it out. Don't know why they do strap pointing. It's disgusting. But just look how much is on the floor there. And that's just come out of that little bit. So just as well you put your sheets down. This is the damage strap pointing can cause on the face of your stone, and then you try to get this off. This is just a little sample I've put on the wall just for the colour of what's going to go in. But you can see where all the marks are off the strap pointing. So that's the mess the strap pointing makes. So I'm going to have to clean this up and then rake this joint out a little bit deeper so I can get some of my line mixing.